a happy, beautiful married life ahead. Okay, so it's in their heart's desire that after getting married they are wearing such bright yellow, red colors, which shows their desire and passion to lead a very happy married life. Tinkling luminous, luminous is brightly colored or glowing, tender and clear. So like her bridal laughter and bridal tear. Okay, tinkling is the sound which is produced by the bangles. Okay, when you your mother or anyone wears bangles in their hand, and when they walk you find those bangles tinkling, they produce a tinkling sound. Okay, so here he says that these tinkling sounds shows the happy mind state of mind of these women, newly wedded women, that they are happy and content. Okay, and they're happy that they are now starting a new life. Okay, which is luminous, tender and clear. These like her bridal laughter and bridal tear. Children, here we find a mixed emotion. Bridal laughter is the happiness which is being shown here. Okay, and bridal tear is the sadness which a young bride shows, the tears that they are leaving their father's home and now they are going to someone else's house. Okay, so here we can see a mixed emotion, that a bride who becomes very happy and she looks very attractive and presents a very happy state of mind when she wears these bright yellow colored bangles and these bright red color bangles. These shows the happy state, the contented state, the desire to lead a very happy married life. Okay, comes up with a contrast. Okay, contrast is the bridal tear, that happiness is mixed with tears. Okay, that they are, these lines shows mixed emotions, that a bride who's happy that she's going to get married, she's going to lead a very beautiful new life. Okay, she's also sad on the other hand that she has to leave her parents' house. Okay, now children, let's look into the last stanza. Okay, the fourth stanza. Here the bangle seller talks about the very matured stage of a woman's life. Okay, that is a matured ladies. So which color bangle suits them? They are purple and gold flecked gray. Flecked gray means that gray bangles which are having golden flakes on its top. For she who has journeyed through life midway. Now these women in this stage, these matured women who are matured and they have led a very happy life, they have led the life to the midway. Midway means they have led a matured life. Okay, good enough life. Whose hands have cherished is loved, whose love has blessed and cradled fair sons on her faithful breast. Now he is talking about all women who are mother or matured ladies, middle-aged women, those who are mothers and housewives. So they wear purple color bangles because they have led a matured life. Okay, so these women, they have given birth to children, they have loved them, they have cared for them and they have brought them up. They have looked and loved their noble and worthy children and husbands, whose love the blessed. She has loved her children, she has given bread and cradled fair sons on her faithful breast. It means that she has very faithfully, very lovingly, she had cared about her children and she has brought them up, and serves her household in fruitful pride. And serves her household in fruitful pride means that she feels pride to be a housewife, a homemaker, and owner of a house and a beautiful family, that she is the head of the house and she is taking care of her family and husband, her son, her family, her relatives in a very proud in a very proud way. Okay, and worships the gods at her husband's side, and she has delivered her duty in such a beautiful way that she is blessed to sit with her husband and worship gods on special occasions. Okay, fine. So children, here we have seen that the poetess, she has talked about bangle sellers. She has made these bangle sellers the narrator of the whole poem. And these bangle sellers, in the very first stanza, they talk about their product. They advertise their product, what they are carrying. They are carrying bangles, and they carry bangles. They make bangles for women of different age groups. Okay, so in the very second stanza, he talks about beautiful maidens. Okay, the very young girls who are budding with desire, who to get married. Okay, and they are very delicate, and they are being and they grow up in an protected environment. Okay, in the third stanza, he talks about young women, the newly wedded brides, that what a beautiful yellow, red color, bright bangles they wear, which is looks very sacred, like their marriage fire. Okay, and their desire of leading a very happy, contented married life. Okay, and in here he shows the mixed emotions of a bride, where on one hand she is very happy that she is leading a new life, on the second hand she becomes very sad that she is leaving her ancestral home. In the last stanza, he talks about those women who have led a matured life. They have lived half of their life. Okay, and they have very successfully and beautifully performed their duties towards their family, son, husband, relatives, everyone. So he is talking about all mothers and housewives. Okay, that how they have given birth to a child, how she has reared them, how she had brought them up into good human beings, and on the other hand, how she has very carefully looked after and very dutifully looked after her husband, and she has been blessed to sit with her husband and worship on special occasions. Okay, so children, with this we come to the end of the analysis of the poem Bangle Sellers.